Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and now let's continue with Sunburst. So first we'll import Sunburst and see how it works. So I'll click on these three dots, then get more visuals, and then here we'll type Sunburst. Then I'll choose the first one. Okay, and then now let's see how we can create a visual with the Sunburst and how it will appear. So I'll click on this icon for Sunburst, and then let me try to resize it, and then I will drag country and drop under group, and I will drag category, drop under groups, then I will drag subcategory as well, drop under groups, and then let me drag gross margin and drop under values. So now we have our Sunburst, and you can see countries are on the inside, followed by category of what are being sold, and then on the outside we have the final details of the categories or items being sold. So when I click on United States, you can see it's having 32.35% of total gross margin. And then when I click on Germany, we have 9.85% of total gross margin. So this is how to work with the Sunburst as a visual, and I hope you understood. So let's again meet on the next video.